Namaste. We would like to invite you to Satyameve Jayate, a spiritual journey of truth with Bhagavad Gita as our guiding principle. We are deeply grateful that His Holiness Swami Chidananda Puri, head of Advaida Ashram and the President of Sabrimala Karma Samiti, has accepted our invitation to grace us with his presence and lead us in this quest. Sadgamaya Foundation is aimed to connect like-minded Hindus across the UK to share ideas, values and support in strengthening each other spiritually, educationally, culturally, politically and socially. Following on this theme, we start on the 6th of June with the now sold out Swami Chidananda Puri's discourse at the Leaders' Room in the Houses of Parliament, highlighting the importance of Bhagavad Gita in politics. We at Sadgamaya Foundation have organized additional events where Swamiji will expound his views and life's learning for the benefit of the expanding Sadgamaya family. Please join us for our events: Jnana Yoga in Sutton, Sanatanam in East Ham, Hindu Dharma Parishad in Croydon and Hindu Mahasammelanam in Birmingham. We hope you will join us and utilize this unparalleled opportunity of spiritual immersion right here in London. Please visit www.sadgamayafoundation.org or follow us on Facebook or Twitter using the handle @Sadgamaya Foundation. Thank you.